Boop. Oh, dang it. You'll TP down here, won't you? Let's see. He did. Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on. No, down here. Down here. Okay, get on. Get on. Come down. Wait, wait, wait. Yes. 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 Ah, fence. I need a fence. Ah, wait, wait, wait. Ah, where is it? Ah, here. Stand on that. Where'd you go? No, no, no. Come here. Come here. Okay, good. Good. That's good. Stay. Yes. There you go. Now you can see. Look. Look down there. That's your brother, Strawberry.
If you could say hi,
or
T, for
sister,
my friend,
Strawberry.
that would be awesome.
I'm not sure.
You don't have to, though, but they said hi. Anyways,
Hi, T.
happy 1 mil muffins.
Raspberry and strawberry. Here, you want